Hi, I'm Jessa, and I love teaching math. Let's get started.
So here is a common distribution error that I often see as an instructor. So if you have something like x plus 2 squared, a lot of students will take this square and put it inside and say this is equal to x squared plus 4. This is not true. So let's talk about why. Let's look at x plus 2 squared. Well, this is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 2. And if we think of distribution as this area problem, we have x plus 2, x plus 2, okay? So let's say this little area, that's going to be x squared. This area is 2x, this area is 2x, and this area down here is 4. So if you say that x plus 2, that this thing is just equal to x squared plus 4, you're missing out on a whole lot of area of your triangle. You completely ignored your rectangle. So you completely ignored this area, and that is a problem. So that's one way that it's not true, is to look at it visually as the area of a square. The other way is you can actually plug in some numbers. So x plus 2 squared. Let's just plug in a number for x, because remember that variables can be anything. So let's say that x equals 3. So let's say we have 3 plus 2 squared. Well, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 squared is 25. Okay? Let's see if that's the same as x squared plus 4. Well, again, so we had to plug in the 3 for the x again. So let's plug in 3. We have 3 squared plus 4. 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 and 25 are not the same. So that's kind of two ways of looking at this and saying, okay, one of them we can represent, graphically as a square and see that we're actually missing area when we do that. And the other way is to just plug in some numbers and to see clearly that when I plug in 3 for x, I do not get the same result.
If you have extra questions, you can go ahead and post them in the comments, and I'll try to answer as many of those as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to get more help with math and see more of the math content.